Hey guys, Larry the tractor guy here this morning. Hey, we're down here in the mountains this morning looking at a R450 Swather here. It's got rotary screen issues where the rotary screen stops turning. And man, it's already getting hot today. And I was gonna show you this real quick. Look at that stack of hay right there. I mean, we have got hay stacked up all over the country down here during this drought. Everybody's just baling up everything they can bale up because it's been so dry, and hays went up, and we're gonna probably have a shortage of hay all winter, and so everybody's getting prepared for that. So we're looking at this Swather, and his complaint is that the rotary screen stops turning after about an hour of run time in the field. So we got down here, took a look at that, and I've seen this a few times before where either the rotary screen wand is binding up in the bushing here, and then also we've had problems sometimes every once in a while with the motor going bad. But it looks like what we have here today is this chain is so tight and rusted up, and it's just causing this motor to bind up. And so a real quick look at that, I could figure out real quick that, you know, it's so tight and binding this motor up, and so when the power module on the machine sees this motor load up with too many amps, I can't remember exactly what that spec is right off the hand, but it will kick this rotary screen off, and then it will not come back on again until you cycle the power. And so we're going to go ahead and disassemble this and see if we can either replace that chain or lube that chain up and get this freed up and get him going here. We got our chain off here, and as you can see, it's just rusted up and super stiff and binding up. So I'm thinking that it'd probably be a better idea just to replace that chain. And if you run into that problem ever, you might, first thing you want to look at is make sure that this chain is not binding up, because it'll sure cause you some problems with this rotary screen on these R450 Swathers, and basically any of these Swathers that run a rotary wand like that, rotary screen like that. And you know, keep in mind too, if that rotary screen is not turning and vacuuming the debris off of that off of this radiator cover, then boy, it'll sure heat the machine up quick. And one quick way you can tell that is, of course, your temperature gauge in the cab, but then also your air conditioner condensers here too, so you don't pull enough air through your condensers. So we're going to go ahead and check, see if we can get a new chain, replace this chain, and get him going again. We're going to go ahead and start this machine up, see how this rotary screen works here. There it goes. Nice and smooth. Chain's working like it's supposed to. Like it's working nice and smooth there. Okay, just a quick reminder that if you're having rotary screen problems with an R450, don't hesitate to take a good look at that chain on that rotary screen drive. Larry the Tractor Guy signing out. Hey guys, check out Larry the Tractor Guy videos here, other videos here, subscribe here, and buy all your John Deere parts here.
We'll make it work. I think
we're gonna have to make it
we'll make it work. Come on, let's go.
We need to make
you need some food.
Y'all already burned me out.
Some bloopers.
He's sitting in the sun over here, man.